Hello everyone, what is NIO doing with its self-driving technology? Self-driving technology in the automotive segment is still in its infancy, in spite of many advancements that they made in the recent years. Each manufacturer is trying to find its own direction when it comes to self-driving. And some of these changes that it comes out of the result of a tragic event that occurred when one of their vehicles was driving itself. NIO is now reportedly asking drivers to take a quiz and watch a short 6-minute video before being allowed to drive with the assisted driving feature. This was prompted after a recent fatal crash in the ES8 SUV, which was on pilot mode on a stretch of road where the speed limit was 120 kilometers per hour or 75 miles per hour. And the vehicle drove straight into a road maintenance vehicle. Now, the new video that drivers are required to watch shows off the NIO's pilot system, and it makes the viewer aware that it does not do autonomous driving, instead being purely an assisted driving solution that requires the driver to pay attention to the road at all times. The video also explains how the NIO pilot is enabled or disabled, how it handles the lane changes, and how you can adjust the speed and distance to the car in front. Well, NIO is not the only company who's doing this. Xpeng also has its own test that you have to pass in order for the company to make sure you know how to use its navigation guided pilot feature safely. And this is something which they introduced back in March. With that, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.